Now then guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you're well. Hope your Christmas and New Year was a good one. Hope you had a good time. Hope Santa brought you everything that you wanted. What he has brought me, well, it wasn't Santa, it was the wife. I've got a Salter Omelette maker. So look at those. Apparently fluffy omelettes in 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you this. Going to get cooking it. Show you what's in the box. I don't think there's much in the box. But I'm going to rustle it up for you. All I've got, I'll show you the ingredients I've got, which is basically onions, cheese, 4 eggs and some ham. I've got some Christmas ham left, so that's going to get chucked in. It makes 2 omelettes, and like I say, it takes 5 minutes, so let's have a look and see what's in the box. So here we go, look, here's the box it came in, as you've seen, so let's get this open. Oh, we got there. Omelette maker quick start guide. So yeah, some instructions. There's the old thing on the end of the plug. Lift this out. Like I say, there's not much to this. I don't think there's much. It won't be the most glamorous of unboxings that you've ever seen on YouTube. But yeah, there we go. So that is it. So yeah, that's the omelette maker itself. So there's the hot plates. Apparently this does get very, very hot when it's cooking. So you've got to watch yourself. The amount of people I've heard have got burnt when they open it. So yeah, we'll have to be careful. But let's get this plugged in. Then we'll get the omelettes ready to go. So we're plugged in. Orange light, green light on. Apparently when the orange one goes off, it's ready to cook. So let's get the gear ready to go in it. So all I'm going to do is just crack myself a knife. Just going to put 4 eggs into here. Apparently it's 2 for each side is the recommended amount. So let's get them in. 2. 3. Yeah, I ate egg white. 4. In we go, and there's absolutely no shell in there at all. So I'm just going to get a fork. So that's the egg. So that's the ingredients you can see there. There's the eggs. There's some double Gloucester cheese, red onions from Asda. That's a bit of leftover Christmas ham that I've got there, and some salt and pepper. I'll put that in the eggs actually. Let's just put a bit of that in there. A bit of the old pepper, a bit of flavour. There we go. Not much, just enough. Give that another little quick whisk round. Get it all mixed in. So there we go, that's it, we're all ready to go. The actual green light's gone off, which I think is the one that needs to go off. Just left with the orange, which is the cook light. So let's get this in, let's have a laugh. This might turn out absolutely shocking, but you've seen what I'm having in mind. We sometimes have a pepper as well, but I haven't got one, so it's just red onion. And I'm only putting red onion in one of the sides because the boy doesn't like red onion. Says it upsets his tummy. So what do you have yours? Comments down below, let me know what you put in your omelettes. If you've got anything wild and wonderful. Apparently in this thing you can do pancakes, you can do sweet stuff. So if you've got one of these, Salter Omelette maker or something similar, just let me know. Put in the comments, tell me what you do with yours. So right, let's get this lifted up. There we go, I can smell it. Smells of burning. What I'm going to do first, I think actually, just going to drop a little bit of ham in each side first. Oh, we can hear the sizzle there, can't we? Look at that. Then I'm going to put in some red onion, just in one side, just in there. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to pour in the liquid. Just to there. just to there. Right, you can see that there. And then I'm just going to sprinkle in a bit of cheese, I think, to both sides. Sorry if my camera's going a bit skew if I'm looking over there and then trying to look over here. There we go, it's looking pretty impressive. So there we go, that's what it looks like. Let's get the lid down and wait about 5 minutes. I daren't look, I'm too excited to see what it's doing. Like I say, I normally cook these in a pan, just literally put the peppers, the onion, the ham in to a frying pan with a bit of oil, let that fry for a couple of minutes, then just pour in the egg mix, put the cheese on top of it, just let it fry for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then what I do is just bang it under a hot grill. Probably how most people make their omelettes, to be honest, but if you make them differently, let me know. But yeah, another couple of minutes and we'll see how this turns out. There's lots of steam coming off it. I'm getting very nervous about how it's cooking, but it does smell like an omelette, which is a good sign. There's no burning smell or anything. It does just smell of how an omelette should. So look, while that's doing, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing, by the way. You know, get those essentials out of the way. What do they call them when you're in a team meeting and they always say, oh, you're in a new building, and they say, oh, the fire escape's there, the toilets are there. I can't think what it's called, but get this out of the way. Look, if you can subscribe to this channel, please do. It helps me immensely. Just pushes these videos out. I can only do them when I can do them. This isn't my job, as you probably guessed, because they're not that good. I sell beer for a living, but look, these are just something that I like doing in my spare time, really. I think it's good for your mental health, especially when you get out. I love the holiday ones, but you only really go away once a year to Corfu, and then we might do the odd Bridlington. So if you can subscribe, click that little bell as well, and then click all where it drops down. Just click it and it'll bing every time I do a new video. So not long now for these. Right, let's just have a quick look. Curiosity has got the better of me, so got to be careful because of the heat. Oh yeah, oh look at them. Wow, how fluffy. They look amazing. I'll just give them another couple of minutes more. Right, get ready. I think they're done. So we'll switch it off at the plug. Are we ready? Oh my days, how fluffy are they? Look at those beasts. Really impressed. Let's get them out and give them a try. Right, there we go. Dead easy to get out of the omelette maker. Let's just give this a cut. Oh yeah, look at them. Look at how fluffy. Bit of a triumph. Right, so all done, all cooked. Have a look there. Look at the texture, consistency. Ham, red onion, cheese. Let's give it a bit of ketchup. Bit of a... They've come out amazing. So yeah. Look, thanks for watching. Just a quick little vlog on a Sunday. Nothing else to do, is there? So, like I say, if you can subscribe, that'd help massively, and like the video. Click the little bell, and I will see you soon on the next one.